Okay guys, we're show around here. We got our first bearing in. I'm gonna drive the second one in because this is the sprocket side, so it's got two. So some grease on the inside helps the bearing slide in real good. This one went in about a minute. So
Surprised.
yeah.
Because it's not the second of the two?
What?
Yeah, that's the first of the two, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the deepest one you have to go.
So we just grease that up and then get our new bearing right here, sticker, and then take the outside of the bearing, just wipe the excess on it, why not? You don't have to pack these bearings or anything because they're already sealed. Then we put it on the top. Clean my hands off real quick. And start to drive them in evenly on the outside race. Then we get our socket. Continue to bang it in.
Seems to be going all the
And
way.
almost in all the way. Just bang it in till the bearing clip, like for the retainer, is in. And that's done. If you can see inside, this can focus.
You will.
There's a little clip, or you can see a little recessed surface in there where the clip will go in. So those bearings are in. So now, that was only in 2 minutes. That's pretty crazy. Now, go to the other side.
It's the most unprofessional way. It's actually the fastest.
And as you can see, there's a bunch of grease in there. I'm going to put more in right now. Bunch of grease.
Gross.
All inside here.
I need to put that really thick one in there first.
Yeah, that's why I'm greasing this.
Yeah. You fingered that hole.
And, you know, grease the inside of here where the axle will slide in. Why not? May as well do it now.
Make it 10 times easier when we put the axle back on.
Well, we're going to grease the axle too.
Oh, dude, the axle's bad.
Yes, we will show them later.
Yes, we will.
And then grease the outside of this. Grease everywhere.
Grease this, grease that, grease this.
Hey, you want this to spin nicely?
Grease everything!
Yeah.
I'm
So
sorry.
you wonder why America's fat.
I don't eat grease.
Oh, they only eat bacon double cheeseburgers.
And hold the lettuce.
And anything else I'll eat. Alright, so we have this, or I got this greased up good enough. So we're just gonna drop that in place. Get it kinda lined up in there. Then clean my hands off again. There's enough grease inside there. I won't grease the other bearing as much. We take our last bearing.
Whoa, there's
procedure.
3?
No, there's one.
Cody, why are there 3?
Because the black people, they decided to add 3.
I'm not sure greasing this one as much.
This one's gonna be a pain in the ass.
You didn't put a lot of grease on it, though.
Yeah, but there's still grease in there. Oh crap.
What?
Low. Keep missing. This is a pain in the ass. But, oh well, we gotta do it.
I have no clue this videotaping.
Alright, well, you know, I'll get back to you when this is done, guys. Just pause it. Or stop it, or whatever.